In this demonstration, we're going to show how we can view the contents of your SAP Inbox inside Microsoft Teams. The scenario is that a user opens Teams at the start of the day and they immediately are able to see if there are work items waiting for them to action in S/4HANA. If there is no card already in Teams, then the system generates a new one. In this example, we're not trying to action the work inside Teams, but see a dynamic list of work that needs to be actioned. When we select an item, this opens the work item in the SAP My Inbox app. From here, we can process it normally. In this instance, we're simply going to approve the work item. Once that work item is approved, it disappears from the My Inbox app. A few seconds later, it also disappears from the notification card in Teams. Since there is already a card in Teams, the system knows to update it instead of generating a new card. By synchronizing the SAP Inbox and the Teams notification, Looply can add great value for those users who don't spend all day in SAP. Looply, everything you need, all in one place.